Hey everybody, let's go ahead and go on our tour for August. Starting in our usual place. Update on the mulberries. Yeah, the second one's doing better. This is the one that was covered in silkworms. Who would have thunk it? So we have been getting a little bit of a drought condition. Trying to work through and water things as I find them. But this is actually, believe it or not, the apple tree came back. Needs a little bit more water. Here's our basil. This used to have Berry's Crazy Cherry in there. Those plants actually dried up. Looking over here, we've got our ginger. Not sure, it looks like this is falling down, but I'm going to maybe do some research online before I try and pick it. Down here, we've got this thing that I always forget what it's called. Parsley that was with it is gone. Got some lemon balm or Melissa down in the bottom of this. This is what's going on with the moringa right now. I did actually harvest this thing. I've got another video coming out for that. Finally, garden huckleberry is gone. I'm gonna cut that sucker down, put something else in there. And peppermint's not looking great. Rarely does during this time of year. Lemons are starting to turn. We have a couple of lemons here. Those are Myers. Rosemary is just kicking around. Doing great. I need to harvest a little more. Chocolate mint's doing real nice. And I've got a bunch of cayennes here. Walking onion, probably time to cut those back, harvest them, and get an assessment. I kind of want to do an entire bed of those next year. Here's the Brad's Atomic Grape. It's been hanging in there. It gets a few blossoms a week. Anybody asks, this appears to be very drought tolerant. We'll see how it does. And if you look over here, we're in the middle of August, but as you can see here, we are winding up with some tomatoes. A little rough on the bottom there. This basil is doing really nicely. This one's ready for a clipping again. And looks like we're probably getting our fall blooms. on these tomatoes because a lot of them are flowering. I'll go ahead and keep them around for a little while. Leek bed is a leek bed running away. This bed is running away. Got a lot of that going on right now. So a lot of these beds you're seeing kind of prep work for the fall. And as you can see on our volunteer okra here, it is going crazy. So I am 6'4". So we're looking at probably a good 8.5 foot plant. Horseradish is looking good. We'll get that harvested in probably November. Over here, don't know if you can see it for all the weeds, but there's our Malabar spinach. Starting to pop up, getting ready to climb. Got one here, not too great. There's just a lot of weed pressure over here. We need to work on that area. Been a bane of my existence this entire year. Celery, I'm just kind of letting go. Probably gonna get some seed off of it. That's Tango. Got really nice dark leaves. We'll see where we're at. And here's the other Malabar. As you can see, it's starting to wrap. Hopefully we'll get it to climb all the way up that string. I need some seeds for this. I've used them all up. We've got 6 plants. Okay, I went through and cleaned this bed out. Left the aloe, that's it. And here's my compost bed. Gonna be flipping that soon. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a video or not, but I'm probably gonna flip the contents of this over to this bed. Then we're gonna designate this one as the one that stays compost over the winter. This one's going to be full of potatoes. Crepe myrtles are doing nice. This one right here, I mentioned this. This is the one that I grew from a cutting. These two were already here. The big one and the little one here. I just propagated a third one. And on my arches here, I have put beans on all of these arches. Got purple potted and some Kentucky Wonder on this one. And over on the other ones, this one in front is the limas, fava beans, I should say. And then this one I'm going to leave as Red Ripper, because that's what's already growing on it. Okay, these pepper plants We're growing a lot of leaves and not a lot of peppers. I've got bells here and habaneros. They're doing really good. Those are my Jerusalem artichokes. Get around the front here. As you can see, I'm still getting jalapenos. Those are coming in handy. We're making them into powder. And tangled up in all of this grass, there's about 5 plants. And then we've got our banana pepper plant right here. And moving right along. This is a comfrey. I think this one might be purple. We'll have to wait and see what it comes out as. The flowers have a little purple stripe on them. That one's going to seed. That is a perennial, so actually the seed production has been bred out of them so that they don't spread crazy. Over here, got one more mullein plant. There's a little one there. I'm probably going to move those. And once that comfrey stops blooming, I'm going to move that as well. Yeah, looks like the dog's getting a salad. And if you look there, there's my last year of sugar cane in that bed. Moving right along. Sorry for the shadows in this. I've got to do the videos early in the morning. We're already at 90 degrees and it's probably about 8:30. We're getting all kinds of warnings and stay inside orders and all of that crap because it's too hot. Here is Arcana. This is the Black Knight. Moving over here, this is our other comfrey. Planted King Tut peas all along this trellis here. You see I've got those green stakes in there. Those are to guide the peas up to the trellis. We'll see if those come up soon. Hopefully they'll wait until it's not too hot, or I'm going to be replanting. Anyways, this is our new sugar cane. This is very, very healthy. Sugar cane's doing really well this year. And over here I did another video on this, but if you look here, I planted moringa cuttings all along here to see if I can get them to sprout that way. If not, I'll just go to seed. And over here, our final part of the tour. As you can see, the green stalk is level again. And I cleaned all the beans out, getting it ready for spinach. I will plant that probably next month, towards the end. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.